you know that hurricanes have become more intense and frequent in recent years? In fact, over the last 50 years, the number of Category 4 and 5 hurricanes has nearly doubled. Stick around, because we're diving into some mind-blowing facts about these powerful storms that you probably didn't know. Hurricanes are one of the most destructive natural disasters on Earth. Their impact could be even more significant. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about hurricanes, from what causes them to how you can prepare for one. So, let's get into it. Hurricanes are unpredictable, and that's what makes them so dangerous. These storms can change direction, speed, and intensity in just a matter of hours, leaving communities scrambling to respond. Every year, hurricanes cause billions of dollars in damages and take thousands of lives worldwide. The strong winds, heavy rains, and storm surges can flatten homes, flood entire cities, and disrupt lives for months, sometimes years. For example, did you know that Hurricane Katrina, one of the deadliest storms in US history, caused over $160 billion in damages and claimed more than 1,800 lives? That's just one storm. Hurricanes like Harvey, Maria, and Irma have caused widespread destruction in recent years, reminding us of the urgent need for preparation. Think about this. What would you do if a hurricane hit your area? Have you ever experienced one before? Comment below and let us know. So what exactly causes hurricanes? These massive storms form over warm ocean waters, typically when the water temperature is at least 80 degrees to 27 degrees. Hurricanes thrive on this heat and moisture, which fuels their powerful winds and rains. As the storm grows, it creates a low-pressure system with a well-defined eye at the center, surrounded by the fiercest winds. Here's a quick question. How long do you think the average hurricane lasts? Is it days, weeks, or hours? The answer to the question. Most hurricanes last around a week, though some can last even longer, depending on conditions. For example, Hurricane John in 1994 lasted a record 31 days, making it the longest-lived hurricane on record. Hurricanes are categorized into 5 levels based on their wind speeds, with Category 1 being the least severe and Category 5 being catastrophic. For example, a Category 5 hurricane has wind speeds exceeding 157 mph, 252 km, strong enough to blow down trees, tear apart buildings, and create deadly storm surges. In recent years, scientists have observed that hurricanes are becoming stronger, with more storms reaching Category 4 or 5 levels. This increase is partly due to rising ocean temperatures, which provide more energy for hurricanes to feed off. This trend has left many scientists concerned about the future, as we could see even more devastating hurricanes in the years to come. Now let's look at some more recent trends. Over the past few decades, hurricanes have been getting not just more frequent, but also more destructive. In 2017, we saw 3 massive storms, Harvey, Irma, and Maria, strike within a few weeks of each other, each causing widespread devastation across the Caribbean and the United States. Hurricane Harvey alone dumped over 60 inches of rain in some areas, setting a new US record for rainfall. That's equivalent to the amount of water in over 1 million Olympic-sized swimming pools. The damage caused by flooding in Houston and surrounding areas was catastrophic. Why are hurricanes becoming more intense? As ocean temperatures rise due to global climate change, storms have more fuel to grow larger and stronger. This has made hurricanes a growing threat, especially in coastal regions. Rising sea levels also increase the risk of storm surges, which can lead to devastating flooding. Did you know hurricanes can also produce tornadoes? How many tornadoes do you think a hurricane can spawn? So, what should you do to prepare for a hurricane? Preparation is critical, as it can mean the difference between life and death during one of these massive storms. Here are some essential tips for hurricane preparedness. Stock up on emergency supplies. You'll need food, medicines, water, first aid kit, flashlights, and batteries to last at least 72 hours, in case you lose power or access to help. Create a communication plan. Make sure your family knows how to stay in touch and where to meet if you're separated during the storm. Prepare your home. Secure windows with hurricane shutters or plywood and reinforce doors. If you live in an area prone to flooding, consider sandbags or even flood barriers. Stay informed. Keep a battery-powered weather radio handy so you can receive emergency updates even if the power goes out. Evacuate if necessary. If local authorities issue an evacuation order, don't wait. Leaving early can help you avoid getting stuck in traffic or dangerous floodwaters. Engagement question. Have you ever had to evacuate due to a hurricane? Share your story in the comments below. Now let's answer the question from earlier. How many tornadoes can a hurricane produce? Believe it or not, hurricanes can spawn dozens of tornadoes. In fact, Hurricane Ivan in 2004 spawned 120 tornadoes across multiple states, adding another layer of danger to the already devastating storm. Hurricanes weaken as they move over land because they are cut off from their fuel source, warm ocean water. However, they can still cause significant damage inland through heavy rain and flooding. When a hurricane is approaching, it's important to know the difference between a hurricane watch and a hurricane warning. A watch means that hurricane conditions are possible in your area, while a warning means that a hurricane is expected and you need to take immediate action. Always follow the instructions of local authorities. Another important factor is understanding storm surge, the rapid rise in sea level caused by a hurricane's winds pushing water onto shore. Storm surge is one of the deadliest aspects of a hurricane, and it can occur even far from the storm's center. If you live near the coast, you need to take storm surge warnings seriously, as just a few feet of water can flood homes, knock over buildings, and endanger lives. While the Atlantic hurricane season runs from June 1st to November 30th, the peak of hurricane activity is usually in September. In the northern hemisphere, hurricanes rotate counterclockwise, while in the southern hemisphere, they rotate clockwise. If you're enjoying these mind-blowing facts and want to stay updated with more awesome content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you found something surprising, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Your feedback helps us bring you more of what you love. Hurricanes weaken as they move over land because they are cut off from their fuel source, warm ocean water. However, they can still cause significant damage inland through heavy rain and flooding. To sum up, hurricanes are powerful forces of nature that demand our respect and attention. From their increasing intensity due to climate change to the ways they form over warm oceans, understanding hurricanes is the first step in protecting yourself and your loved ones. Preparation is key, and staying informed about your local weather conditions can help you survive a hurricane's fury. What are your thoughts on hurricane preparedness? Do you have any tips to share? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more life-saving information. Stay safe and stay prepared. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.